Baby, the lace is so flat on my head, you can barely see it. Like, it's right here, but it's so undetectable. Oh my goodness. And as you can see, I haven't done anything to the lace. The lace has already been pre-cut, the knots have been pre-bleached, and the hairline has been plucked. So first thing, some makeup. And already you can see how it looks 10 times better just adding a little makeup to the hairline. Okay, let's get into this beautiful hair here. Oh, it's like a gift. Let's see what else is in here first. Okay, we have an adjustable strap. We have a drawstring to store the wig in later. Oh, this is a freshener. How cute is that? That's cute. Wig cap. This is to put for your lace and a clip. The PR team be doing a big one. Okay, so this is a curly closure wig. Pre everything for this wig. So the knots have been bleached. The hairline has been pre-plucked. The lace has already been cut. So it's not much to do when it comes to this wig. And I'm going to show you in a second how easy it is to install it and get a very natural finish. This is a 5x5 closure. Of course, you have your combs, and best of all, there's a drawstring in the back to tighten it all. The hairline is very natural, and then it goes into the thickness of the wig. I will wash this hair to get the curls popping before we install it. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this beauty here. Look at the inside of the cap. Nice. First thing, I will go ahead and use this adjustable strap. And when you put it on, you want to make sure the grip is like actually on your nape. That will be in the inside right here. So I will take this and just push it up through the loop on the side. So we have a lot of factors to play in for the extra security. Of course, we have the adjustable strap I just added. We have combs on the side as well as in the back. And then I also have this elastic drawstring. Let's go ahead and put her on. Oh, she fits really nice. This is, ooh, she nice. Oh, these curls nice. I don't know. Do I want to do a middle part or do I want to just push it all off my face? She is gorgeous. Sometimes I use the combs like when I'm more so on the go, like I need to run to Walmart, I'm gonna take this wig and just throw it on my head. I would just push the combs up and pull the drawstring, be done with it. But like when I do my installs, like I'm putting in that work, I really don't like to use the combs because they don't be needed for me. So all I would do, hold on. The curls are eating. Take my elastic, tug on it, take the little stopper and pull that up. And you see how it just stays really tight and secure? Take the rest of that string and tuck it under. And that's it for the back. Over here on the ear tabs, you see how the wig kind of curves around. That way you can pull your ear out and the wig isn't just sitting on top of your ear, irritating you or just looking crazy. So then I just pull my ear out and it fits perfectly. Middle part, wouldn't really be no part. She's giving no part, but pushed over to the side. So happy I decided to wash my wig first. This is making everything a lot easier. There. Okay, so again, like I said, this is a pre-everything. It's going to be super easy to install. We're ready to run through this. And as you can see, I haven't done anything to the lace. The lace has already been pre-cut. The knots have been pre-bleached. And the hairline has been pre-plucked. So all three of those done, you don't have to worry about it. So first thing, I will go in and add some makeup to my hairline. This is a contour palette. And I will be going in with both this lighter and darker shade. because you can see here it's way lighter than my skin tone. If you are extremely fair, you may not even have to add any makeup. But for me, being a brown skin baddie, we need to add a little bit. If you have foundation, you can just use your foundation. I kind of prefer to use powder. Sometimes I go back and forth. I ain't gonna even hold you. I use powder sometimes. Sometimes I use liquid. This is what's right here in front of my face. And already you can see how it looks 10 times better just adding a little makeup to the hairline. I want to make sure all of my flyaways are back. And I do know I want to do baby hair over here on the side. That should be enough. I'm feeling it. Cool, cool. Now, yes, you can wear this unit glueless. However, I will be using a little holding spray. This is by the Frontal Queen. It's a melting holding spray. I'll just go on top using my finger and just dabbing the spray on top. I'm trying to keep this unit on for 2 days. It's the weekend and I need homegirl to stay where she's at for 2 days. I want to do fluffy edges with this, so I think I will go ahead and do my edges and then come back to define my curls. That way I can like melt the lace as my edges are molding. All right, now just press the top really quick. Yeah, baby, give me that relaxer look, okay? Now the edges really quick. Using this Kiss foam mousse. I'll leave a link down below. It's $5. And she works so well. My arms don't hurt. I'm pushing them up so that when I fluff them out, they can keep its shape. Okay, edges are down and they only look like this right now. And also this wig comes with little adhesive lace strips that you can use right across your hairline as well. Now let's define the curls how I want them to be. Like I said, I'm going for like a wet look, so straight product, lots of it because I love her and she only $5. Just going all in with this mousse, being extremely generous because like I said, I am going for a wet look. And when you're doing that, you need a lot of product. Now that it looks like every strand has a little white residue on it, it's gonna dry. Let's just comb this over how I want it. I like to take the back of the comb and do that number. Same thing. Make sure the top has some curls and it's not just straight. Make sure the back isn't split up. So let's just go through this with my fingers, just a little bit. Not to create frizz, just to break up the clumps of curls. Now I will go in with this bed head holding spray and just spray everything so they can stay locked in. Okay, anymore I might choke and croak. Now I'll let this dry, and what's really gonna give it the final wet look is oil sheen. Okay, curls are super defined. My hair is still wet. I say it's about 70% dry, but I take this off, fluff these edges out. Ooh, oh baby, I laid down. Yeah. Good gracious, that's laid. All right, let me see what y'all are talking about then. Let me tweak my edges. I might have pulled that too much. Let's go in with a little makeup. Okay. Let's put a little mousse right here to loosen this up so it's not looking so stiff. Okay, done with the edges. They're super fluffy and natural looking. Final touch, some oil sheen. Being pretty generous with the oil sheen. Ooh! This is super cute. Can you see me? Here's the hairline. As you can see, easy to install, ready to wear. You can either wear this unit glueless or you can add a little melting spray, how I did. The curls are gorgeous. Baby, the lace is so flat on my head, you can barely see it. Like, it's right here, but it's so undetectable. Oh my goodness. All right, you guys, definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look, and let me know if you would try anything from this video. Also, be sure to click the link down below and grab this wig and any of the other products that I mentioned. This is so cute. It's so natural. No part, pushed over to the side. I'm gonna go out tonight and be like, ooh, is she Puerto Rican? Baby, the curls are popping. All right, see ya. All right, really quick update. I want to show you my hair. This is what my hair looked like. It stayed down and wavy until I was in the club. But yeah, I had a good time last night. So this is how my hair looked this morning. I came home. I did not wrap it last night. I did not even tie up my edges, and look at my hair. I did go to the gym this morning and I put a band on before I went to the gym. So here's the result of the next day. And the curls, I think it looked even better the next day. I'll come back one more time for tomorrow. See you then. Okay, it's day 2. I just left the gym. This is how I went to the gym. Yeah, the twist is from last night. Then this morning, I just took my 2 twists and tucked it in the back of my wig. Just take my twist out, fluff it. This is what it's giving. I love this wig.